Welcome, Arithmetic Ninjas, to question number 32. And the instant you see this question, you should be thinking about BODMAS or BIDMAS, that some people call it. Some people put an I instead of the O. Now let's just refresh our memories as to what this stands for. So the B stands for brackets, the O stands for order, or the I stands for indices, and indices is a posh word for squared or cubed. D stands for divide, M stands for multiply, A stands for add, S stands for subtract. And basically this is the correct order that you should follow operations in within any calculation. So brackets is definitely most important on the list, that should be done first. Indices are second most important on the list. Divide and multiply, even though divide is above multiply in the list, they're actually of joint importance. So divide and multiply. If there's a divide and a multiply in your question, it doesn't really matter which way around you do them, just read it left to right. Add and subtract are also of joint importance. So now you need to check what you've got for each calculation. Well, we've got a squared, a subtract, and a divide. And highest on the list is the squared, so we need to deal with the squared first. So we've got 9 squared minus 36 divided by 9. So we need to deal with the 9 squared first because indices is highest on the list. So 9 squared is 81. Cross out the 9 squared, put 81 underneath. Any part of the calculation you've not already done, drop it down. Drop down the minus 36, we've not done that. Drop down the divide by 9, we've not done that. And now we need to check the new calculation. We've now got a subtract and a divide. Well, the divide is next highest on the list. We did have a squared first, but now we've got a divide, so divide needs to be done next. So 36 divided by 9 is 4. And then we drop down anything else that we've not done. We haven't done the 81 and we haven't done the takeaway. So we're basically left with 81 take away 4. 81 take away 4, you can probably do that in your head. If you take away 1, that would be 80, but then you need to take away another 3 so that you've taken off 4 altogether. So 80 take away another 3 is 77. So the final answer to this question is 77.